Lately, I've been trying to get Streamlit working with my PocketBase users collection. How I have done this is very simple, just using the Streamlit authentication app, and I have Spin, also a PocketBase container. Links will be in the description on how to do it with Docker. Then, using the mentioned Streamlit auth package, we are going to connect to the PocketBase instance that it can be publicly self-hosted and exposed by Cloudflare workers. And you can see how now you can register. See the initial user that there were there? And now via Streamlit UI, we're going to create a new one and access a really cool financial data web app. This is just pulling data for a few stocks, and then you are able to visualize them and see some cool metrics. Just remember that Streamlit is great for quick POCs, so you can have the best of both worlds, Streamlit for the UI and PocketBase for the user management via the collections. Enjoy!